Hello everyone, this is Hazel from Hikelok. Welcome to our live stream show today. I will show you our check valves and little valves today with you. The first one is our CV1 series check valve. Like the sample in my hand, this is our CV1 check valves. Its max working pressure is 3000 psi, and the end collection from OD, NPT, BSPP, and BSPT, and so on. The sample in my hand is 1/4 female NPT. Our CV1 series check valve supports 1/3 to 50 to 25 psi cracking pressure. You can choose the best one. The next one is our CV2 series check valve. Its max working pressure is 6000 psi, and the sample in my hand is 6 millimeter, and its cranking pressure in my hand is 1 psi. The under collection is OD. Our OD tube fitting has 2 ferrules inside. All our back ferrule will be treated with hardened technology to prevent gulling. Our CV2 series check valve also support 10,000 psi working pressure. It also supports female NPT, male NPT, BSPT, BSPP, and OD under collection. Its cranking pressure has 1 psi, 1/3 psi, 3 psi, 10 psi, 25 psi, and 50 psi. Our standard seal material is FKM. You also could choose Buna, ethyl propylene, and neoprene. Let's begin our third introduction. It is our CV3 check valve, CV3 series check valves. It is a springless check valve. The seal inside is metal to metal seal. There is no spring inside. Its max working pressure is 6000 psi. And our standard material is 316 stainless steel. It also supports other special materials such as monel, duplex. The size supports from 1/4 to 1/2. And the under collection type is female NPT, male NPT, female BSPT, male BSPT, ISO, tube fitting, butt weld. The sample in my hand is 10 millimeter tube fitting under collection. There is one point about cranking pressure. The cranking pressure means the inlet pressure at which the first indication of a flow occurs. It is must steady stream of bubbles. The first 2 zeros are fixed cranking pressure check valve. The following one is our CV4 check valves, which is adjustable cranking pressure check valve. The spring is a range, not a fixed number. You can also we can provide a set cranking pressure in our factory. You can tell us when you place the order. The CV4 series check valve. Its max working pressure is 3000 psi. It is one-piece body design, fully contained O-ring seal. Its cranking pressure from 1 psi to 25 psi. The following one is our CV5 series check valves. Its max working pressure is also 3000 psi. It is also one-piece body design and fully contained O-ring. The cranking pressure from 3 to 6000 psi. The standard seal material is FKM. You also can choose other seal materials such as butadiene, neoprene, Caris, which also called FFKM. The size meaning contain 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/6 inch, 1/2 inch, or 6 millimeter and 8 millimeter. It supports female NPT, male NPT, male BSPT, female BSPT, in ISO as well as BSPP. The cranking pressure range from 3 to 50 psi. The second one is 50 to 150 psi. The third is 150 to 350 psi. And the fourth is 350 psi to 600 psi. Our standard material is 316 stainless steel. You can also order other materials such as duplex, alloy, monel, and other special materials. The next one is our CV6 series check valves. Its working pressure also 3000 psi. The last one of our standard material is check valve is 77 series. It is ultra high purity stainless, ultra high purity check valves. Its max working pressure is 3000 psi. The sample in my hand is 1/4 GFS and collection. Our GFS and collection, also mainly known as Hikelok VCR and collection. It is metal gasket face seal fitting and collection. The end collection type of this type of check valves is tube fitting, butt weld, male GFS fitting, female GFS fitting, and rotatable male GFS fitting. The size contains 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, as well as 6 millimeter and 8 millimeter. The standard material is also FKM. Also, you can choose butadiene. Neoprene is neoprene. Let's begin our next introduction of our needle valves. The first one is our NV1 series needle valve. Let me choose a sample. Here, the sample in my hand is our NV1 series needle valves. The size in my hand is 1 second female NPT. Its max working pressure is 6,000 psi. It also supports 10,000 psi. It is one-piece forged body. It has a straight and angle flow pattern for choice. The feature of the internal structure is upper stem and lower stem design. Stem serves about packing protected from system media. It supports panel mounting. If you need panel mounting, please tell us when you place the order, and we will end the designation in our part number. The end collection of NV1 series has female NPT, male NPT, tube fitting, ISO, socket weld, butt weld. The next one is our NV2 series needle valve. Its max working pressure is 10,000 psi. A little different from NV1 series appearance. It is one-piece heavy ore forged body, while NV1 series is one-piece forged body. The NV2 series is heavy ore. It can bear more strict working environment. It also supports straight and angle pattern, upper stem and lower stem design. Stem serves about packing protecting from system media. This feature is same as NV1 series needle valve. It also supports panel mounting, but you only tell us when you place the order, because it is not mandatory. It is not the standard of panel mounting for NV2 series. The size has several size supports such as 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 1/2 inch, 6 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 3/4 inch, 12 millimeter, and so on. Our standard tip material is same as a body, which means it is 316 stainless steel. Our standard packing material is PTFE. It also supports graphite. If your working pressure is high, such as 600 Celsius degree. Our standard material is 316 stainless steel. Also supports alloy, duplex, and other materials such as monomer. The following one is our NV3 series needle valve. Let me check. NV3. The appearance is the same as the NV2 series. Only difference is its working pressure is 6,000 psi. It's also heavy wall body. It is Ewing bonnet construction for safety. It also has a straight and angle patterns, upper stem and lower stem design. Stem 3 is about packing protected from system media. Panel mounting available also. Our standard packing material is PTFE. It also supports graphite when your working pressure is high temperature. And also we have PFA packing material when your working temperature is very low, very low. And the tip material is same as a valve body, which means it is 316 stainless steel. The seat material is also same as the valve body. The next one is NV4 series needle valve. It is integral bonnet needle valve. It can collect with the sample cylinder. The max working pressure of our NV4 series needle valve is 5,000 psi. It is lid-loaded packing system. Packing nuts enables easy external adjustments. It also has a straight, angle, and cross patterns, 3 different patterns of NV4 series needle valve. Soft seat stem with PCTFE tip available. It also supports panel mounting. Our standard handle of NV4 series is the round handle. And if you need black aluminum bar handle, you can tell us. It also supports different type of handle. The next one is our NV5 series needle valve. It is also called compact and mini needle valve. Because the size is small and compact, it can save many rooms when your installation room is limitation. Its working pressure is 6,000 psi. Its feature is it is compacted size design. Also have a straight and angle pattern. The size of NV5 series supports 1/8 inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, as well as 6 millimeter at millimeter. Next one is our NV6 needle valve. It is also called toggle needle valve. It can open and close quickly. Pull down the handle. Its max working pressure is 300 psi. It is one-piece forged body. It also has straight and angle flow pattern. The sample in my hand is 3/8 inch tube fitting. The end collection size has female NPT, male NPT, BSPT, BSPP, ISO, and as well as tube fittings. The O-ring, the standard O-ring material is FKM. It also supports other O-ring materials such as Spuna N, neoprene, FFKM. Flow pattern also has a straight and angle. Our standard material for all our products is a 316 stainless steel, but also supports other materials. The next one is our NV7 series needle valve. It is non-rotating stem needle valve. It is used for collect with sampling cylinder. The sample in my hand is inlet 1/4 male NPT, outlet is 1/4 female NPT. This is inlet and this is outlet. Its max working pressure is 3,000 psi. It is one-piece forged body. It also has a straight and angle flow pattern. It can be equipped with a rupture disc. Please see this sample. This sample is with rupture disc. It is mainly used to collect with the sampling cylinder. The rupture disc in my handle is 1,900 psi. This is rupture disc. And also our all male thread will be collected with this plastic cap to prevent some damage when transportation. Give you the comprehensive protection when transportation. And the last one of our needle valve is NV8 series needle valve. Its max working pressure is also 6,000 psi. The sample in my hand is inlet 1 second psi, outlet is 1 second female NPT. It looks a little like gauge valves, but it is needle valve. It is bar stalk valve body, so the appearance is a little different from other series of needle valves. The NV8 also supports 26,000 psi. You can tell us will you have needs this type of needle valve can reach 10,000 psi. Next one is our special needle valve. It is cryolic needle valve. The lowest temperature can reach minus 196 Celsius degree. Its working pressure is 6,000 psi. The sample in my hand is 8 mm tube fitting. Besides this standard little valve, we also have ultra high pressure serials little valve. Let me show you some samples, such as this one. It is 15,000 psi max working pressure. The sample in my hand is one force female NPT. It also supports tube fitting. Our tube fitting our internal structure of our ultra high pressure little valve is cone and thread structure. This is 15,000 psi. And this one is 60 psi. The sample in my hand is 1 force HP. HPF is our internal code, which means it can bear 60,000 psi. This is cone and thread internal structure. The tip type of this type of needle valve is blunt. You can see the internal structure. And this one is another type of 15,000 psi serials needle valve. It is 3C type. It has one inlet and 2 outlets. This one is inlet and 2 outlets. A little like a manifold.我不知道，有半个小时了吗？我嘴都说干了。有啦，来换你吧。太好了，我嘴都开始打颤了。我在想，我怎么还没有半个小时？哦，麦克风。我还说我把那个邮件都处理完了，怎么还不来叫我？哇塞，你讲的好厉害，下次都好。这边，Hello, welcome to Hikelok live room. Let us introduce you some instrumentation
fittings and valves. We have the different kinds of the fittings and valves like switch lock, and we have the twin Fura tube fittings, and we have also the pipe fittings, welding fittings, and also we have the butt weld fittings, VCR fittings. And about the valves, we have the different kinds of valves, including ball valves, needle valves, check valves, diagram valves, meeting valves, check valves, and also have the relief valves, pressure regulators, instrumentation manifolds, and also we have other kinds of products, including the bleed and purge valves, block and bleed valves, and also we have some sample cylinders, condensate pots. We also have some tools. And now I want to introduce how to avoid leakage after installing dual Fura fittings. Just need the 3 steps and easy to do it. We frequently encounter issues with poorly connected between the Fura fittings and also including unrelievable performance and leakage defects during installation. Despite tightening knots, the problem still persists. All the fittings leak shortly. What causes leaks, and can we prevent them? Our engineers have some suggestions for the following 3 steps. The first step is choosing the Fura fittings products of big brands. We have a lot of brands in the market. So we firstly need to choose some reliable brands such like our Hikelok. The successful implementation of Fura connections and high on the quality of their reliable quality. And also the second steps is for the qualified materials. Steel pipes must meet the ASTM A269 standard, and which presents the industry minimum requirements. Beyond the compliance with the standard, and we also have some surface quality, ensuring the quality of the Fura fittings. And the third steps is correct installation and methods. We have a lot of videos in our web, www.cirlok.com. You can see the videos how we installation of our Fura fittings on our web. Okay, let's introduce some products in our exhibition here. Here is the NV8 needle valve 8 series. It is very have the priority advantage for its high pressure and high using under the high pressure and high temperature. And this maximum pressure is 6,000 psi, and maximum temperature under the 450 degrees centigrade. And next one is for the NV5 needle valve, NV5 series for the needle valves. This needle valves have the compact design type. So you can see this structure is very compact. It's very small structure for some narrow space during installation, and also can satisfy the requirements of the clients. And the maximum pressure for this NV5 is 6,000 psi, and maximum temperature is also the high temperature for this 450 Fahrenheit. We also have other kinds of advantages items, and such as the NV7 needle valve NV7 series. This needle valve is usually used for the sample cylinder systems. It can be connected to the sample cylinder at the ends of two ports of the sample cylinders. And this valves, the maximum pressure is the 500. It's a 3,000 psi, and also this needle valves have the rupture disc for the rupture pressure. We have the different rupture pressure for choose, and also this needle valves have the high pressure for the clients, different pressure and different temperature for use. This is our needle valve 2, needle valve 2 series, and this kind of needle valves have the advantage for the high temperature and high pressure for the client's use. And the maximum is that can be 10,000 psi maximum pressure. And also we have different kinds of ball valves from the BV1 to BV9 series. Actually, our advantage products is for BV7. We have a lot of BV7 used for the CNG station for the adding, we call it gun type ball valve, because it is for the adding the gas when we use to it like the gun. And we can also see we have the advantage for the check valves, and our price can compare with some Korean brands such as Hikelok, HSMS, and we have the same quality, but we have the much cheaper price for the clients. We also have the much high, super high pressure products for the super high pressure for 20,000 psi, 30,000 psi, and also 60,000 psi pressure needle valves, ball valves, and also we have some kind of subsea valves for the clients of use. Actually, we have a lot of clients used for the subsea condition, and also used for this ROV operation system for this kind of valves. And the next products for exhibition is for the needle valve NVA series. This kind of needle valves have the super high pressure for this working conditions, and also they have the 6,000 psi maximum pressure for this kind of different working conditions. We can see a lot of ball valve series here. I can show you the shape and the function of these ball valves. And this is one is the BV2 valves. Actually, for the BV ball valves BV2 series, we have a lot of different ports for the clients to choose. We have the 2 ports, and also maximum we can make in 8 ports for. We can make the maximum 7 ports for this BV2. And this is our star products is for the BV7. And BV7, we can see it has the 3 ways. And one is this BV7 is for the gas station, and also have the CNG station for adding the gas use. This is our BV3. This is ball valve 3, and this kind of a series of ball valves have the small pressure, but it can also be used under the 1,500 psi pressure. This is our BV1 ball valves BV1 series, and it can work under 6,000 psi maximum pressure. This is our ball valve series BV4. It can be added, and the graph frame can working under the super high pressure. This ball valves is very special because this kind of this BV9 series ball valves can use under minus 196 degrees centigrade. It's can use such lower temperature. And this is our products ball valves with the actuator. We can see this structure under this part is on this BV2. This actuator and also have the air pressure is 0.4 to 0.7. And also the torch output is 16.7 to 29.1. And also this one is the pointer under the actuator. This needle valves is our another special series for the low pressure. Just I introduction for the low temperature ball valves is BV9, and I can work under minus 196 degrees centigrade. And also we have the needle valves also can work under such lower temperature is our C and V. This kind of series can work in under the minus 196 degrees centigrade also. We can see this kind of needle valves also have this large actuator on this part. It's the working pressure is the 6 to 8 bar for this actuator. We also have the super high pressure products, just like I said. This is one manifolds. This manifolds is for the transmitter. And actually, this kind of manifolds can working under the 20,000 psi pressure. This one is our regular products for the manifolds, and you can see we have the different colors of the handles uh, to difference this kind of a function. We can see this red handle is for the bleed, and this in this part of manifolds we have a bleed two ports. This is the bleed one port, and this is the bleed two port. Actually, and we also have the block handle. Block shows this black handle, and also the green is the equalized port for this manifolds. And we have the manifolds for the maximum pressure for 6,000 psi pressure, and also we have the different working conditions for the clients. We have the different subsea valves for the clients use. Actually, we are in my hand is also this subsea ball valves under 10,000 psi pressure, and also this maximum water depth can use the under the 11,500 feet. And in my right hand is also the subsea ball valves and under the 20,000 psi. And this also can use to be under the water sea 11,500 feet. For the high pressure fittings, we also have the union and also the cross, and we have also have the filter under 20,000 psi pressure. This filter can also be used under the sea. And now in my hand is also, we have some different kinds of VCR products. And now in my hands is the bellow sealed valves. And this series is the BS1 series. And actually, this kind of products can use under the 1,000 psi. And also this have the different kinds of ports to choose for the client's use. For example, we have the VCR female and male ports for connecting, and also we have different kind of connection to choose. For example, the Hikelok Furrow type and also metric type. This kind of ports is our VCR ports, GFS ports for the connecting. We also have the different other products for the pressure regulator. And we know that the famous brands for the pressure regulator is Tescom and also other brands, HIP. And also we have some kinds of products for the pressure regulator. And this one is the PR1 is our regular products, and this is the PR3 pressure regulator 3 series and with the gauges. And you can see there is this pressure regulator have 2 ports, inlet and outlets. And this have the 3 ports. We have the different flow paths and one connecting to the pressure gauge. We can see this is some sample cylinder system. It's only part of this sample cylinder system. We can show usually clients use these sample cylinders with 2 pots, and at the end of these pots with the needle valves and to open and collecting the gas. And also we can see this is the stem of this quick connector. And this another part of quick connector. When you make this gas passing through this sample cylinder and filling all of these passing sample cylinders, when you want to get the test for the gas, you can quickly use the quick connectors, get out of the system, and also have the handle of these sample cylinders to check. You can easily quickly take out of the system and to check the sample cylinders, the gas in the sample cylinders. And we also sometimes after connecting the quick connector, we also use the hose and for this panel. We call it sample cylinders panels. We also have some hose for this connecting for this, just like I said, in the sample cylinder systems, we can use this hose to connecting the sample cylinders and with others. 时间到了吗？讲点啥？哎呦！We also have the different kinds of tools to help clients to assembling and installation for this our products. We can see this is our cutting tools, tube cutter, and we have the different kinds of size for this tube cutting. And also we have the We have the maximum is for 1 inch for the tube cutting. This one is our tube bender, and we have the different size for the clients to choose. And minimum is 1/4, and the largest one is the one. We have the 12 minimum kinds of. We have the 1 inch for this tube bender, and also we have the pre-swiveling tools for helping clients to installation for the fuels, and also we have the different size for these tools, and we have the tools from 3 millimeters, and the two maximum is 25 millimeters for this pre-swiveling tools. This is our some special products for the softener coating. You can see this colorful on the surface of the products. It shows a very colorful for this surface and also inside, but we cannot see in this live room because it's difficult to see the inside of it. But actually, the inside is the same color with the surface of these products. What is for this kind of coating? Actually, some clients use the special gas will have some actions with the stainless steel. So we have some kind of a treatment to avoid this kind of action between these products and medium. Also, we have this kind of needle valve, have also this coating for this colorful color. And also you can see this, our cap also have this colorful. This one is our regular double Fura type fittings. We can see it's the union. It's like it had 2 ports with this. We have the very strict terms for these Fura's fittings, and also we have the total 100 totally replacement, and also with the switch lock. And some clients usually use the switch lock type of fittings, and also they want to have some replacement. And our brand is the best choice. Also, it's for this regular products for this Fura type fittings, and this one is a cross. You can see it's the eco type, eco size, and also type for this cross. We have some customized size for the client's use, and from the maximum we can make 1 inch for these Fura types of fittings. And we also have another type fittings is for the pipe fittings. We can see this is the angle type, and one is a female type, port type, and another one is a male port type. Also, we have some nipples for these products, and this is one is a long nipples for the products. This is another series for our products. It's quick connectors. We have also QC quick connector 1 series, QC1 and QC2 can totally exchange with switch lock type. And also it is for, we have a lot of customized products size for the client's use. Our QC1 series, QC1 series, and actually we have the contain the stems and the bodies. Bodies we have 2 series. One is body, and one is also have the shut off valves during this body. And we have QC2 series. Actually have the large orifice size and the full orifice size. It can make large CV value to satisfy client's requirements for the use. We also have the QC3 and QC4 have the large pressure for this kind of series. We still have some kind of welding fittings for clients' use. We can see this is the kind of this is the welding products for the cross, and also have the different size for this. We can customize the different size for these 4 ports also. We can see this kind of welding fittings is the butt welding, and also we have some socket welding products, and also we can see this the 3 it's the T welding fittings for the clients to use. And also we also have the 45 degrees angle degrees kind of welding socket welding fittings for the clients to use. We still have some special clients use the VCR fittings used in the very clean conditions. So we also have this kind of VCR fittings for the gland and long gland. Also have the male nut, female nut. Also can use in this kind of clean conditions. Also we can use usually see these VCR fittings can use in the semiconductor product line. 好，就这样吧，谢谢。这些东西我放回去。